As a beginner ESL student studying English, one important grammar structure to learn is the future simple tense. This tense is often used to talk about plans and goals that will happen in the future. In this tutorial, we will explore how the future simple tense can be used in the context of a barista setting. Firstly, let's look at how we form the future simple tense. The basic structure is will-base form of the verb. For example, I will make a latte for the customer. In this sentence, will make is the future simple tense. Now, let's apply this tense to various scenarios that a barista might encounter. 1. Tomorrow, I will start my shift at 8 a.m. 2. I will greet each customer with a smile. 3. Next week, I will learn how to make a cappuccino. 4. By the end of the month, I will have memorized the menu. 5. I will attend a barista training course next month. 6. This year, I will become a certified barista. 7. In the future, I will open my own coffee shop. In each of these examples, we are using the future simple tense to talk about future plans and goals related to being a barista. As a beginner ESL student, it's important to practice using the future simple tense in various contexts to become more comfortable with it. In conclusion, the future simple tense is a valuable grammar structure to know when talking about plans and goals. By practicing using this tense in sentences related to being a barista, you can improve your English skills and feel more confident in your ability to communicate effectively. Keep practicing, and you will soon master the future simple tense.